How to mirror a Mac to Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1, using AirPlay if supported by your Samsung TV. Step number 1, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Connect your Mac and Samsung Smart TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Step number 2, enable AirPlay on Samsung TV. Press the home button on your Samsung remote, go to Settings, General, Apple AirPlay Settings, and make sure AirPlay is turned on. Step number 3, use AirPlay on your Mac. On your Mac, click the Control Center icon in the menu bar, top right corner, and select Screen Mirroring. Choose your Samsung TV from the list of available AirPlay devices. Step number 4, enter the AirPlay code if prompted. If an AirPlay code appears on your TV, enter it on your Mac to connect. Your Mac screen should now appear on your Samsung Smart TV. Method number 2, using an HDMI cable for wired connection. Step number 1, connect the HDMI cable. Connect one end of an HDMI cable to your Mac, using an HDMI adapter if necessary, and the other end to an HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Step number 2, select the HDMI input on your TV. Press the source or input button on your TV remote and select the HDMI port to which your Mac is connected. Step number 3, adjust display settings on Mac. On your Mac, go to System Preferences, Displays, Arrangement to adjust the display settings as needed, such as Mirror Display if desired. Method number 3, using a third-party app if AirPlay is not supported. If your Samsung TV doesn't support AirPlay, you can use a third-party app like APowerMirror or AirBeam TV. Step number 1, install a mirroring app on your Mac. Download and install a mirroring app such as AirBeam TV or APowerMirror on your Mac. Step number 2, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Mac and Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step number 3, launch the mirroring app. Open the app on your Mac and follow the instructions to connect to your Samsung TV. Step number 4, start mirroring. Use the app's interface to start mirroring your Mac screen to your Samsung TV.